Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It is me, Bailey, and today I'm going to be doing I'm going to be decorating my room for Christmas. I don't really know what I'm going to title this, so just know that this is kind of like a room transformation for the holiday season. I love Christmas and I love decorating, so you know I usually go pretty hard with my Christmas decorating. However, I think this is the most I've ever done for sure. I love how it looks, and I'm excited to show you guys the process of me cleaning my room and completely redecorating it for Christmas. Before we jump into the video, however, I wanted to quickly show you guys something, and it's kind of weird for me to say because I've been keeping this a secret for so long. I just launched new merch, and I'm so excited to finally be able to say that. I've been working on this for months, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. I'll go get a sweatshirt quick. I just grabbed a crew neck, which is part of my merch line, and I'm so excited to show you guys it on camera finally. Yesterday, I actually did announce it on Instagram, so if you guys want to go follow my Instagram, you guys can see a better idea of what the merch looks like. I took photos of me wearing the merch so you guys can see what it looks like on and see what the design looks like. This is one of the items that I'm selling, and this is the crew neck sweatshirt. This is what it looks like. I don't know why I'm not just showing you the back. It's so much bigger. But yeah, this is what my design logo looks like. My merch is the perfect thing for your Christmas list. So if you guys want to check out my merch, here are a few more pictures of it. Definitely click the first link in the description box to purchase it. Let's get into the room transformation. Alright everybody, this is my room pre-being cleaned and pre-Christmas transformation. It's definitely not the prettiest. Oh, what is she doing? It's definitely not the prettiest. I suck at keeping my room clean. I just cannot do it. That's all stuff I've gotten from PR and sent to me, and I don't know what that stuff is, but this is just what we have going on right now. I literally don't know what that is. So I'm going to get my room all clean and tidy, and then I'm going to be going in with like the Christmas decor and stuff and making it very cute, and I'm so excited. But yeah, this is what my room looks like. I do love how my room turned out like after I redid it. However, it's Christmas time now almost, and I need to decorate for Christmas. Alright you guys, so my room is pretty much clean. I did everything except for vacuum, but I'm gonna vacuum once I decorate because stuff might fall on the ground while I'm doing that. I'm just gonna show you quick what my room looks like now. So this is now what my room looks like, all clean for the most part, my bed made and everything. Obviously it already looks a lot better. No stuff on the floor. However, I do need to decorate, which is like the main part of this video, so I'm gonna go ahead and bring in everything that I have bought for decorating and everything that I have previously owned that I grabbed from the basement and stuff, and I'm basically just gonna set it all on my floor, and I'm gonna go through and show you everything really quickly, and then we're just gonna kind of go for it and start decorating. And I don't really know like what I want to do. All I know is I have like a lot of red and white stuff and not so much green, just because I do have a lot of green in my room already, like just naturally. I just don't really like green and red together, and I want to make my room mostly like red and white for Christmas. Alright, I'm gonna bring everything in and we can get started. It doesn't look like that much. I'm gonna quickly go through and show you the things that I bought yesterday at Hobby Lobby, and then I'll show you the things that I already owned. The first thing I bought yesterday at Hobby Lobby is this Merry Christmas sign. It's just mostly white with some red, and I think it's really cute. It was only originally $19.99, but everything is 50% off, like all of the Christmas decor at Hobby Lobby, so this was only about $10, which is really good for this big sign. I bought a bunch of these things, which are just like little sticks with like ornament balls on them, approximately $2 a piece. And then I bought this thing, which I already took the tag off because I just really wasn't thinking, but this was originally $14.99, so I got it for around $7.50 if I can do math. It's just like a big like puffy ball garland thing, and I thought that this would be cute above my bed. And then I bought this sign, which was originally $12, so I got it for around $6. It says nice until proven naughty. And then the last two things that I bought from Hobby Lobby yesterday are these two pillows. This one is just plaid, and this one says Merry Christmas, and they're cute, and I just wanted pillows. And then for the things that we already owned, my mom bought me this little tree last year. Super cute. It lights up. I stole this little present from the basement. I don't know. And then I finessed 4 of these little red ornaments because I figured I can hang them somewhere, like put them somewhere.
I don't know what I'm doing.
And then there's these 2 trees, which are low-key kind of ugly, but I didn't want to buy new ones. We already had some, and my mom said that I could use them. And then I have this. And then I finessed my stocking from the basement as well. This is the stocking that I put on our like fireplace mantle, which my mom usually uses to decorate, but I was like, hey, can I please use it for my room? And she was like, honestly, I don't care. So I'm gonna hang this on my wall, I think, somewhere. And then the last thing is just this blanket, and it's red and black and white. And it's a Vera Bradley blanket, and it's super soft. And I actually think that this is my friend Lucy's, but my friend Lucy moved to New Mexico last summer, so unless she wants me to ship it, I'm keeping it. You guys, I finished my room. I'm gonna try not to show too much, but I finished my room. It actually did not take me as long as I thought it would, but I finished decorating and I had so much fun with it. I love decorating for Christmas. I don't know, something about it. I love decorating in general. I don't want to be completely done though. I think I want to add a few things, but for right now, for this video, this is all you guys are going to be seeing me decorate. I love how it looks, and I'm so excited. I never really have gone like this hard with the decorating. Right now, all you guys want to see is an overview of the finished product, so I'm going to do that right now. This is my super wide angle lens. Hopefully you can just see like how the whole thing looks together better. I love it. It's literally so cute. I don't know, I love how it looks. This is absolutely my favorite area. Look how cute it is. Okay guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was a lot different than any other video I've really ever made. I haven't really done transformation videos ever. And I also filmed it in a way that I was like super uncomfortable with, just because I didn't know like where I wanted to put stuff. I just kind of went with it. So talking through exactly what I was doing would have been really hard. Also, I thought it would be kind of fun just to do like a cinematic type thing. Basically, I just hope you liked it. Obviously, I haven't edited this video yet, so I have no idea how it looks. Definitely let me know if you guys have any other ideas for Christmas videos, because I'm super excited for Christmas and I love making Christmas videos, so let me know any ideas you have. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.